Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by powering off your mixer and Dbx Equalizer to avoid loud pops. Gather cables, one 1/4-inch TRS, 2 XLRs, and a spare RCA if needed. Confirm your mixer uses either an insert or direct line inputs for processing. Check nominal levels. Set equalizer to +4 dB if using Pro Gear. Have gain controls at Unity on mixer before signal routing begins. Label your cables to keep left and right channels from getting swapped. Wear hearing protection during testing if you expect loud levels above 90 dB. Locate the mixer insert or dedicated line outputs you will use for processing. If an insert exists, use a TRS insert cable and split send and return accordingly. For mixers without inserts, use balanced XLR outputs to feed the Dbx inputs and balanced XLR returns. Connect left and right channels consistently and avoid swapping polarity or pan assignments. Keep analog cable runs under 20 feet to reduce noise and maintain clarity. Secure cables to prevent accidental disconnection during performance or recording. Power on the mixer and Dbx Equalizer after all cables are connected and secured. Set the mixer output level at Unity and set the Dbx output control to Unity as a starting point. Play a full range signal and watch levels while keeping peaks around -6 dB for headroom. Adjust the Dbx input gain so the unit does not clip and so meters sit comfortably below 0. Use the equalizer bands gently and sweep frequencies to identify problematic ranges. If you hear hum, check grounding and consider using the Dbx ground lift switch to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.